I placed my pre-order, and I was promised a delivery of August 27th. I got text messages from Samsung saying that my orders are gonna arrive on time and all this finesse and stuff early. What did they do? They switched the expected delivery to September 15th. September 15th, this is ridiculous. My other order, September 15th. I'm pissed, if you guys can't tell. Like, I'm trying to keep it cool, calm and cordial, but really, honestly, nah, man, f that. The smartwatch guru is back in the building, baby. We have the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic right here. As you can see, I'm rocking the Galaxy Watch 3. Take a peek. For those who don't see, you know what I'm saying, with the rollie. Let me show y'all that one more time. Y'all see the rollie, don't sleep. I'll show you guys how to do that on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic in an upcoming video. But you know what it is. Let's get inside of this bad boy and pair it up with this brand new, beautiful Z Fold 3. Yeah, that's gonna be the combo, Z Fold 3 with the Samsung Galaxy 4 Classic, as well as I have the Galaxy Watch 4 coming in extremely soon. We ain't gonna, but matter of fact, I do need to talk about my issue I had with Samsung in this video. I'll share that story in a second, hold on. Now let me find my unboxing knife, all right? Let's open this bad boy up. I didn't really need the knife, but you know. That's what we do here on YouTube. Oh, wait. Gotta get the personal paperwork out the way. You know what I'm saying? Y'all sneaky out there. You know what I'm saying? Hey, y'all be tripping. Woo! Now, I'm gonna be honest. I ordered a super dope mustard watch band to come along with this. It's on back order, I guess, until the 15th of September. I can't talk. Until the 15th of September. And that's the look I wanted to show you guys. Why would you tell me I could get a certain accessory, Samsung, and not even have the accessory available? Anyways, let's carry on with this. Oh, look at that right there. Boom, I like the branding, baby. So, let's get it. Get that out of here. Pow, here it is, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Now, another thing that they did give me for free, besides my watch band that isn't here, was a charging brick. Let me see. Let's go ahead and open this up real quick. Bam! There it is. All right. So we got this super fast wall charger to complement the Galaxy Watch 4. As we all know, we don't get charging bricks with these phones anymore. One slice there. Come on, it's kind of tough up in there. Hold up, player. Get one right here. We slicing and dicing, baby. Put that there. Let's be safe. Whoa. Boom. Now, granted, I really would have loved to have been able to show you guys the mustard watch band, but I gotta wait. And as soon as it comes, I'll show you guys, as well as I'll find some custom watch bands like I have right here on my Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and show you guys those as well. So here it is, as we can see in all of its glory, next to the Galaxy Watch 3. Now, I did go silver this time. I'm typically all black when it comes to these Galaxy watches, at least when I can. Now, this one, we had no choice if we wanted the bigger one. This is the Galaxy Watch, the original one right there. And then we have the OG right here, bam. The S3 Frontier, Gear S3 Frontier. Now, these two smartwatches right here, both are running Tizen, as well as this one right here, which is, I think it was the Galaxy Watch, I forgot what the name of this one was, Active, I think it was called. So all of this right here is Tizen. Matter of fact, let me turn these on, hold on. Boom, look at that right there. You know what I'm saying? For those who don't know, now you know. So these are all running Tizen. Same thing with this one. This is Tizen. We've been doing Samsung Galaxy watches and Gear S3s with Tizen. This is the first time that we don't have Tizen, player. And I'm a little nervous, I'll be honest, because I've used Wear OS in the past, and I find Tizen to be farly superior. Now, I don't know if it's a nice combo of like a Tizen workflow with Wear OS, or is this just straight Wear OS? So we're gonna find out. And I will be giving my thoughts about that for sure. So that's one of my drawbacks or like worries with this. Did they ship me a dead smartwatch? Come on, player, there we go. Boom. Let's power this bad boy on. So these bands that it comes with are really, you can tell these are for like the active use, because these are like flimsy, they're not thick, they're very light. They're just like, another strong note I have to make for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if you guys can make that out. These are 20mm watch bands. And that's slightly unfortunate for previous watch owners because this is the larger Galaxy Watch for Classic. I think it's the 46mm, and we went down to 20mm watch bands. Previous big Samsung Galaxy watches and Gear S3s have all ran the 22mm. So the 20mm was, in the past, was typically for the smaller smartwatch, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure these are 22mm, if my memory serves me right. And I'll be able to find that out in a second. So I think they went to a smaller watch band hole, which means your old watch bands, it's a no, dog. But the positive side is, no matter what size you get in a Galaxy Watch 4 or Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, all of the watch bands will be able to, you know, swap in all that stuff. So I guess it's a positive going forward, but not so much for the previous 22mm watch band owners. I'm pretty sure it's 22mm. Matter of fact, hold up, player. I think this one tell me. That says 22 right there. So coming from older smartwatches, you know what I mean? All of my watch bands like these and stuff like that, like if I would have thought, oh, I'm good, I could just take my watch band off of my previous Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Watch and stuff like that, the larger sizes, and just put it on this larger size Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, I would have been in for a rude awakening, which I am. I'm rudely awakened right now, Samsung. Nevertheless, let's see how this this setup is. I need to get this paired up with my Galaxy Fold. So let's see. Hold on. I got a lot of stuff going on right here. Oh, look at that! Oh, it just popped right up for the Connect. Let's go. Now you gotta love that. That is like A1. So boom, this thing is going straight to work. I'm super hyped about that. Let's get it. Oh man, I don't know if y'all can see that number they just showed on here. You know what I mean? Cause y'all something else out there on the internet. I tell you, I'm gonna have to block that one out. All right, it is paired that fast. Look at that. Wow, look at this. Woo! Downloading the software instantly. This is a very fast process, you guys, and that matters. That's a convenience that you want when you set up a new accessory to your current accessory. No, I'm not sending y'all diagnostic data, Samsung. You know what I mean? We're not checking that. Link Galaxy Watch 4 plugin with Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay. Allow Galaxy Watch 4 plugin to access your contacts. Allow. Okay, to make phone calls, gotta allow that. It wants to access my calendar, of course. That's the whole point of having a smartwatch. And it wants to access my phone logs, access my photos and media. You basically want to access my entire life, huh, Samsung? I know. Allow, send and view text messages, allow. Wow, that was a lot. I don't know what all that is. We turning that off. Location is fine, because I know smartwatches, you know, need location to help them. So now it's getting ready. So actually we have to wait for this. So we're gonna see how long that takes. Actually, it's going pretty quick. As you can see, it's zooming right around. We're gonna be set up and ready to go in no time, and the player gonna have to remove this Galaxy Watch 3 off of my wrist and put this Galaxy Watch 4 on. Check your phone to complete the setup. Getting Google account info. Now see, this is a whole nother thing. We got Wear OS, you guys. Copy to your watch. Copy your Google accounts to your watch. I don't know if I should do that, should I? You know what I mean? This is personal stuff. Then I gotta enter the password and all that again. Come on, I just did this earlier, yo. Oh man, and one thing I hate about setting up a new smartwatch, smartphone, is the entering of all of these passwords. It's like, come on. We almost there, y'all. It's doing a little finishing touch, so we'll see how long that takes and so forth. So we can get into using this Galaxy Watch 4. Now, we're gonna have to see if we can even do the custom watch faces. You guys know I love custom watch faces. If you guys haven't seen, matter of fact, let me show you guys a couple of them right now. Hold on. You know what I mean? I got a couple of nice custom watch faces that I use. Boom, there go one. Let's see. I'm just showing you guys a couple real quick, but I will be making a video specifically showing you guys how to do this, and we have to see how this goes with Wear OS and if we can do it. All right, so now it's trying to give me a tour. Let's put this bad boy on. Let's see how it feels. 100%, this is not the look that I was going for, but hey, you know, we're gonna do what we gotta do. And I don't really have backup, considering the fact that, wait, they sent me a medium to large band. I could have swore I asked for the small one. I think the small one might be in here. Let's see if we got the extra band, you guys. because typically they usually would give you the smaller band, because you know, player don't got the big wrist. So for all my people out there who want to know who have small wrists like me, do we get the small? No, they sent me the wrong watch. Okay, I definitely ordered one with the small band, but it's able to fit. I just had to go to the very lowest thing right there, and it's still kind of, I can't wait for my actual watch band to come. I could have sworn on that, but anyways, nevertheless, listen you guys, I won't even lie. All right, let's keep everything positive. I'll tell you guys the story of the issues that I had with Samsung and pre-ordering this bad boy. Okay, swipe down from the top panel. Okay, hold on, swipe up to go back. Blase blah, they teaching me how to use the watch. For app, swipe up from the bottom edge. Whoa, okay. Swipe down to go back to the watch faces. Okay. Oh man, it's more swiping. What's up with the Tizen though? Tap to open this notification. Okay. Oh, it was telling me swipe left to go back to watch face. All right, it's a lot of swiping with Wear OS. This is the reason why I love Tizen, because Tizen you don't have to swipe because you have the bezel. Let's make sure that this Wear OS is taking advantage of that. All right, press the home key to go to any screen. That's it. Okay, they supposedly taught me how to use Wear OS, but anyways. All right, so we still getting, you know what? It's still looking kind of like Tizen. Hold up, boop, 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 boop. Now the sleep tracking has always been dope on Samsung Galaxy devices. It's like some of the best around. So let's see, boom, boom. Yo, it's hot out there. They got my stress monitor. Let's check my stress right now, Samsung. Matter of fact, I'm gonna check my stress when I tell you guys the story, how I almost got pissed off and and all that stuff with Samsung. All right, so this starter watch face, I'm not the biggest fan of. Definitely gonna be changing that. I'm not the fan of this bigger band. So if you have a smaller wrist like me, which is about a 6-inch wrist, make sure you get the small to medium size watch band. That is definitely gonna be something you wanna go for. They do not give you the extra watch band size like they used to in the past. And I'm pretty sure I chose small and medium, and I think they sent me this watch to satisfy me. So let me give you guys a quick little story real quick. So I pre-ordered the Galaxy Watch 4 Classic as well as the Galaxy Watch 4 on the first day that they were released. Pre-ordered it, had the promise of delivery by release date, and also Samsung this year is charging extra for expedited shipping. They didn't do that in the past. Pay for that on all of my orders. Mind you, I was promised by Friday, the 27th. I look on my order update and I see September 15th. Like, how are you gonna bump me? The person who signed up for the reserves on all this stuff, you bump me. I pre-ordered day one. So I called in mad, like, yo, all right, cancel my order. Cause I couldn't cancel it. I was gonna cancel it and then go to another retailer that I was able to order from, which I ended up ordering from. You guys will figure out what retailer that is in that when I get the aluminum video and so forth. So I had to order from them so that I could get it as long as they deliver tomorrow. They better be on point. So I wanted to cancel the order, but it wouldn't let me. Now here's the tricky thing. Mind you, you guys see, I got one of these chargers and then I got the free wristband. The watches weren't gonna be shipping by the time that was promised, but what did they do? They shipped this super fast on both of the smartwatch orders, which locked the order to the point where I couldn't cancel it. Now shipping this made it seem as if the order was shipped or in process when it really wasn't. This is a pre-order. So I called them, I'm like, yo, I can't cancel it, can you cancel it for me? We can't cancel it on our end. They had to call FedEx to ask for this back on that Galaxy Watch 4. They had to stop that and send that back. And then she told me that they can't cancel my Galaxy Watch 4 order. I have to wait until they create a shipping tracking number, send that to her in an email so that she can then cancel my order. This is terrible customer service, and I'm just being honest and transparent right here of my experience and how Samsung literally almost lost me as a customer because of this. So as of right now, they got my money hostage. I wanted to take that money and go put it at the other retailer, so I had to spend extra money with the other retailer in order to get the Galaxy Watch 4 for you guys, as well as I'm getting a second size of the Galaxy Watch Classic. You know what I mean? We're gonna compare sizes and things like that, as well as the different models. I got you guys, but Samsung made it extremely difficult for me to do it the way that I wanted to. It just seems odd to me that you can't cancel a product that's pre-order that I haven't even received, and you can't refund me. It was absolutely ridiculous, the process, and I'm not a fan of that. On a side note, we're gonna keep it positive. We're gonna use this Samsung Galaxy Watch. I'm gonna give you guys an update 100%. I'm not a fan of this super big, yeah, we gotta figure something out with that. So I need to get me some watch bands ordered in ASAP, so I can show you guys some customization videos, show you guys how to get the watch faces. I'm gonna do all of that stuff and hit you guys with the videos. I'm your smartwatch guru. I got you guys. I went through the pain to get these watches. Oh yeah, what I wanted to add to the story. So they sent me this watch, I think, because they saw me canceling the other watch. And this watch also had the September 15th date. And then all of a sudden it had a shipping date after I had to call in and I threw a fuss or a fit about my stuff not coming when it was promised. So you do what you do with that. Samsung, you gotta do better. I just have to speak on it. I gotta keep it a buck. But outside of that, I'm looking forward to putting this Galaxy Watch 4 Classic to the test, as well as the Galaxy Watch 4 will be coming in, and I'm gonna do the comparison, the sizes, all that good stuff. I got you guys. My name is CJ, this is CJ Unplugged. Smash the like button if you like the video. Subscribe so you catch all these videos. And you gotta turn on notifications, player, because YouTube funny with the noties and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, more faux videos and all that stuff coming. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Look at it. We in this joint.
No. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. No. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them.
Thumbnail? I'm trolling y'all, alright.
I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on B skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and the Yankee fitted. Like whoa, bags under my eyes and you know. Won't complain, I'm tired, I'm on go. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. For that grip, 10 toes till they swole. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side.